In this video, I'm going to show you how to zero out an account in QuickBooks Online. So to do this, we're going to create a journal entry, and let me show you this with a tutorial example account. So you want to go to settings up top, and I'm going to go to chart of accounts so I can just show you how to do this. I've prepared a tutorial account over here. It's called tutorial account, and if I search for it, as you can see, its current balance is $1,000. Okay, now what we're going to do here is basically create a journal entry to zero out this account. So you want to go to create up top left, and here you want to click on journal entry. Now in here, in the first row, of course, you can set the date and journal number, but in the first row over here, you basically have to select the account you want to zero out, okay? Now I'm going to select this tutorial account over here, and then what you want to do is enter the opposite value in the debit or credit column. So for example, if the account has a $1,000 in debit balance, you want to add 1,000 in credit, okay? So of course, it has a balance of 1,000, so I'm going to put 1,000 in credits over here, because of course we want to credit that account. And then over here, you want to go ahead and basically select the second row and then select the balancing account. So this is going to be usually maybe like equity or expense account. It's up to you. Of course, you can consult with your accountant. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to show you how to basically achieve this in this program. So I'm just going to go to something random over here. Let's actually find something. I'm just going to do this one right now. And as you can see, it's automatically going to fill in. Now, if I click on the save button at the bottom, and if I exit this, you'll be able to see that this is going to, when I refresh it, so let me actually refresh this. So I'm going to go with tutorial. Again, I'm going to look for it. You'll see the balance is now 0, and I've zeroed out this account. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.